My name is Abospitter. I rap actually. What is the use of being human when being human isn't human enough for humans to treat humans like humans? When humans are without a doubt the same as any other human out there, but systematically some humans are automatically being held back because your skin can automatically help you progress exceptionally, or intentionally you get pushed further back for being black, because when you're black there's no going back. Nothing irritates me more than filling a form these days, like saying the segment ethnicity where you're either black, white, colored, Indian or Chinese these days. These syllables are infused with too much pain that my signature tattooed within them proves I've always been a form these days. Why can't we just be humans? No more, no less these days. I was born a human, like any other human, but classified as a black more than just being a human. Like any other human, we are not like other humans according to what other humans think other humans should be instead of being just human. It's like the world be moving too fast and furious that our humanity is none other than a fast car that keeps drifting away from us due to our inhuman tendencies, because for centuries our different skins have already been derived into race segments that the more we race, the more we realize there's no finish line. Red. Red is the color we all bleed. Every day I watch my people's souls bleed. From these racial remarks we don't really need. You'll swear the only way to levitate the good in humanity is through weed. I could not empathize why these differences should be the ones to determine our standards according to the way we appear in front of others' eyes, because appearance can be deceitful, but I believe every human is equal in front of God's eyes. These labels we put amongst ourselves have caused death to reign supreme over us. I'm talking wars, apartheid, not forgetting inequality. Like the fact that being a graduate doesn't count more than your skin does. I mean, the darker it gets means lesser opportunities. So I ask, is there equality? Maybe equality was never going to be such an issue if humans didn't put labels on humans. Maybe apartheid would have never occurred if the difference in skin color didn't matter to humans. But they look beyond the skin appearance. Deep inside, the blood is all that dwells inside, uniting us as one, because it's the one and only color that connects us to make us one. Now, this race segregation is a system installed in our operating system from the day we were born. Mind acting as a processor, eyes as a web camera, internal organs as a motherboard, mouth as a keyboard because of the syllables it spits out, and the power supply is made up of all limbs which make humans computers programmed to identify differences in each other's skins, and those powerful enough get to be on top of the food chain, setting rules of which they themselves are not obliged to. But we are not so different from them though, because when a black man comes across a white man, his mind automatically translates them as mlungu, not human. Black man comes across a white man comes across a black man, and his mind automatically labels them as a thug, not human. We all come across Middle Easterns, and we, in our minds, would be so quick to think of them as terrorists, not human. Seeing some humans having relations with humans of the same sex enables other humans to throw dirt on them to make them feel less human. I refuse to live in a world where humans inhumanly humiliate some humans who has done nothing inhuman other than living their lives as nothing but human. Nothing irritates me more than filling a form these days, like saying the segment ethnicity where you're either black, white, colored, Indian or Chinese these days. These syllables are infused with too much pain that my signature tattooed within them proves I've always been on form these days. Why can't we just be humans? No more, no less these days.
Yeah.